Process of marketing has become one of the primary concerns of any business in today's evolving world. Due to this, several unnatural means of marketing have emerged. One of them is viral marketing, which is on the track of gaining immense popularity. However, viral marketing has a blatant reality behind it. This video focuses on the eradication of the viral marketing mindset. Keep watching to break all the viral marketing myths. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about the latest updates from Unisquare Concepts. Viral marketing is a means of marketing whereby information about products and services spread over social media organically. The consumers are persuaded to promote or simply share the product knowledge with others. Viral marketing is the answer to the question, how to get viral. Number 1. Viral isn't on purpose. The term viral means a rapid circulation of some matter over the internet through a chain of users. Anything that is viral is independent of the efforts of agencies and organizations. However, by simply posting, any content or matter can't be driven in or pushed into the viral domain. Number 2. The natural process of social media. The social media domain works on planned and tactical algorithms. The algorithms of social media websites control the sharing of information among people, due to which spreading of information is not in our control. In turn, promotion over social media depends upon the internal workings of social media. For example, Facebook algorithms works as follows. When the user opens Facebook, he encounters thousands of posts in his news feed. The algorithm puts the post in an order based upon how likely a user is to interact with the post. Facebook's change in its algorithm resulted in harm to businesses, since Facebook has modified to get people the content they actually seem to like more. The Twitter algorithm studies all your tweets and gives them a score based upon their relevance according to you. It also arranged the tweets according to their significance. Therefore, promotion over social media is a process that depends on the user, transforming viral marketing in a viral marketing myth. A few years ago, this kind of marketing was nowhere in the picture. Social media algorithms have changed considerably over time. These algorithms are now stronger and controlling. Due to this change, spreading information on social media by getting viral has become relatively difficult. Number 3. Publish effectively and efficiently to get better results of viral marketing. You may wonder how to get viral in order to boost your business. This requires two basic things. Firstly, to publish the right and appropriate kind of content. Secondly, to publish at the right time. Clearly, viral marketing relies on a chance-based mechanism. You may publish 100 right things with extraordinary content and there is a chance that none of that gets viral. Whereas, one day you might publish something randomly and that might end up getting viral. Therefore, neither of the two, content nor time, is in your hand, which dismantles the entire concept. Number 4. Numerous things are ignored on the internet, making viral marketing a haywire concept. Internet is flooding with all sorts of the matter. Additionally, the structure and working of algorithms are changing against the favor of business organizations. As a result, numerous things end up getting ignored on the internet today. Hence, spreading information among the target audience is no longer an easy task. Thus, this makes viral marketing a haywire concept altogether. Number 5. Viral marketing may or may not achieve the purpose of work. All the above points put light on the concept of viral marketing myth. They highlight how there is no such thing as viral marketing. Your goal to get something viral depends upon a chance or an accident. You can't deliberately push yourself in the viral domain. The entire concept of viral marketing reeks with serendipity. Therefore, the accomplishment of the purpose of work is also accidental. Number 6. Content plays an important role in viral marketing. Appropriate content is a prerequisite for getting the content viral. For example, any content published related to Rajinikanth on internet ends up getting 1 million views in less than 10 minutes today. This is primarily because Rajinikanth has a wide base of followers and publishing content related to him will end up getting viral irrelevant of its main focus. Therefore, content plays a significant role in making things go viral. Many advertising and marketing agencies promote the concept of viral marketing. Their intention is to capture money from companies in the name of getting their product viral. On the other hand, many customers are seen approaching advertising agencies to get their brand viral on the internet by paying a specific amount. Therefore, it is important to know what viral marketing really is and the reality behind how to get viral. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.